Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dex Boss token. Now the Dex Boss token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. This token here, their webpage is DexBoss.io. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here. We're going to go over the information on this token, on this pre-sale, talk about how you can get it. We're going to look for any audits, any red flags that we could find with this ICO. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Dex Boss, all one word, is the name of the token. DEBO, D-E-B-O, is the ticker symbol. Now, their webpage is DexBoss.io. Right at the top of the page, there's a Buy Now button. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the box where you could actually purchase the token here. You just connect your wallet. So they have the contract address right there. But basically, you would need like a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would either fund your wallet with ETH, BNB, Matic. Those are 3 different options here. So you could do that from a central exchange. So let's say you fund your wallet with ETH, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, and then you click Connect Wallet. You punch in how much ETH you want to spend, and it'll tell you how many DEBO tokens you get for that amount. And then you simply click Purchase, and then when the pre-sale is over, you would claim your tokens. There's a spot where you could stake your tokens as well. And they have the current price, they have the listing price. It shows what percentage of the pre-sale is sold. Right now it says 53%. They're looking to get $250,000 in this phase, and they've already raised $132,396.80. So they're doing very well. Now, what is this project all about? Dex Boss, DEBO, as decentralized finance, DeFi, continues to evolve, it faces challenges that hinder mainstream adoption. Now, Dex Boss is designed to bridge the gap between traditional finance and DeFi, creating an intuitive trading platform powered by our native token, DEBO. Our mission is to simplify the DeFi experience and onboard the next billion users. Now, the problem, it says here, despite its rapid growth, the DeFi sector still encounters significant issues, such as complexity. Many DeFi platforms are difficult for newcomers to navigate. Liquidity issues. Low liquidity on decentralized exchanges leads to poor trading experiences. High transaction fees. So users often face high costs for trading and transactions. Limited financial products. Existing platforms lack advanced trading tools like options and futures. And slow execution. So delayed order execution can result in missed opportunities for traders. Now they have the user-friendly interface designed for both novice and experienced traders. Our platform simplifies the trading process. Another solution here is deep liquidity. Low liquidity on decentralized exchanges leads to poor trading experiences. Competitive fees. Users often face high costs for trading and transactions. And advanced financial tools. Existing platforms lack advanced trading tools like options and futures. And fast order execution. Delayed order execution can result in missed opportunities for traders. Dex Boss addresses these challenges with a comprehensive suite of features. So they have here the tokenomics. It says Dex Boss addresses Then with these tokenomics here, which is a total supply of 1 billion DEBO tokens. Now, 50% of the tokens go to the pre-sale, 20% goes to team and advisors, 15% to the liquidity pool, 10% marketing and partnerships, and 5% community incentives. Use of funds, 40% goes to development, 30% marketing, 20% operational costs, 10% reserve fund. And there is a buyback and burn mechanism. So a percentage of the transaction fees generated on the Dex Boss platform will be allocated to buy back DEBO tokens from the market, which will be burned. And this deflationary mechanism benefits all holders by increasing the value of their tokens over time. Now they have a bunch of different pre-sale rounds, up to 17 different pre-sale rounds. So the price will slowly increase. And then their key features for their platform here, it says trade over 2,000 cryptocurrencies. Dex Boss supports over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, including popular assets, trending meme coins, and exclusively available on decentralized exchanges. Dex Boss features sophisticated trading charts with customizable options, enabling users to analyze market trends effectively and make informed decisions. Our platform ensures that trades are executed swiftly, minimizing delays and allowing users to take advantage of market fluctuations. Users can participate in liquidity farming and staking programs to earn rewards, contributing to the overall liquidity and stability of the platform. And with partnerships from over 10 providers, users can easily convert fiat to crypto and vice versa from a single dashboard, simplifying onboarding processes. And Dex Boss offers margin trading with high leveraged options, allowing users to amplify their trading potential and add liquidity to leverage trading pools for increased returns. Now their roadmap here says launch of the DEBO presale, initial marketing campaigns to raise awareness, listing of the DEBO token on major exchanges, launch of the Dex Boss platform phase 1, introduction of advanced trading features like margin trading and derivatives, launch of liquidity farming and staking programs, and then expansion of fiat on and off-ramp partnerships, continuous development and enhancement of platform features. And so this token here, this platform is for investors, stakers, retail traders, and liquidity providers. And yeah, so basically, this token here, it's got frequently asked questions like, how do I participate in the presale? What are the fees associated? When will this token be launched? Is there a vesting period? But the one thing I noticed here, I just scrolled through their whole white paper. I scrolled through their whole web page here. And unless I missed it, hidden somewhere, I do not see an audit and I do not see a KYC. So that can be very risky because even pre-sales with audits can be risky. You have to review the audit. But for this pre-sale, you can't even review an audit because I can't even find one. So, I mean, it could be buried somewhere on the socials. But as far as I could tell, there's no audit. I mean, you could reach out. Contact at DexBoss.io is the contact email, and you could ask if there's an audit, but I cannot find one. So just definitely take this token here with a grain of salt, because when there's no audit, I mean, there could be all the risks involved with this pre-sale. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the DEBO token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.